So, do we just drop it? Wrong way? Is it wrong way? Alright, there we go. The GPU. We got the most beautiful GPU here. Once it's like turned on, it will be like all RGB. But let's get to the peeling parts. Good thing it did explode. Exactly around 1 year ago, I built myself a beautiful PC.
What?
And since this was my very first build, I was very excited, but I was also very nervous.
Oh my days, there you go.
However, in the end, it was super worth it.
That actually looks so good.
Yeah.
So let's celebrate 1 year with my custom built PC. When I was first planning for my PC, I didn't know whether I would get more of a performance build or an aesthetic one. So I got both. But I think it is leaning a bit more to the aesthetic side. This PC is jam-packed with mid to high specs while also keeping a neat, clean white finish. For my GPU, I chose the NVIDIA RTX 4070 Super. And my CPU, which is the Ryzen 7700X. These two demolish every single game that it comes across, even AAA titles. And for those wondering, I haven't actually upgraded the PC yet. It's still running strong and doesn't need any significant upgrades, to be honest. And yes, I am wearing a Minecraft zombie shirt, don't mind that. I don't really have footage of benchmarks, but I might do that next PC video. Anyways, moving on to the struggle. Cable management is probably one of the hardest things to do in a PC build.
There we go. I think I'll just put it there. I don't know. This is messy. Wait, rate this cable management right now. Rate this cable.
Yeah, as you can clearly tell, I wasn't really good at that. But now to the comment section on my PC building video. You guys had like 400 something comments on that video, so... But let's go over them. The first comment is by Prime Command, here to mark my place in this channel's history. Which I appreciate so much, cause that means he believes in me. Yeah. Subscribe, please. I mean, just look at the puppy. It's sad because you haven't subscribed. I was so scared that it might explode, but good thing it did explode. Yeah, me too, because I actually thought it was gonna explode. This video is so well done, and you have such a funny editing style. It was so funny watching you build the PC. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Tweety Rex. But anyways, thank you guys so much for the support on that video. It really helped me a lot, and the amount of subscribers I got from that video is actually crazy. But you know what? We're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep on going. Going into 2026 in a couple of months, we're gonna crush it. And for those saving up and wanting to build a PC, go for it. Anyways, God bless.